What if peace wasn't something you had to find, but something you could create right here in your everyday life? Most of us rush through life like we're late for something, checking messages before we even brush our teeth, scrolling while eating, planning tomorrow before we finish today. We call it being productive, but what if we're just missing it all? Mindful living isn't about moving to the mountains or meditating for hours. It's about learning to be awake, even in the small moments. So, in this video, let's talk about how to make mindful living simple, real, and easy every single day. The first step to mindful living is the pause. You don't need incense or a mantra, just a pause. When you wake up, before grabbing your phone, pause. Feel your breath. Notice the softness of your sheets, the sound of morning light filtering through the curtains. It's a few seconds, but it sets the tone for your entire day. Because mindfulness doesn't start when everything's calm, it creates calm. We live in a world that worships multitasking. But the truth, our minds crave simplicity. Try doing one thing at a time. When you make your morning tea, just make tea. Listen to the water boil. Feel the warmth of the cup in your hands. Smell the steam before you sip. No phone, no rush, no distractions. That small act of being present is mindfulness in its purest form. And when you start doing this more often, the noise in your head starts to quiet down. It's hard to feel peaceful in a cluttered space. Your home reflects your mind, and your mind reflects your home. So start small. Pick one corner, one drawer, one shelf. Ask yourself, do I use this? Do I love this? If not, thank it and let it go. When you clear your space, you create room for peace to enter. And soon, you'll notice you breathe easier, you think clearer, you feel lighter. That's not just minimalism, that's mindful living. Here's something simple but powerful. Be where your feet are. When you walk, walk. When you eat, eat. When you talk, listen. It's not about doing more. It's about being fully in what you're already doing. Your mind will wander. It always does. Just notice it and gently bring it back. Every time you return to the present moment, you train your mind to find peace, not in someday, but in right now.